like that fan right above our head.
Selfish and unkind. One winter's night, an old beggar woman came to the castle and offered him a powerful spell on the castle and all who lived there. If he could learn to love another and earn their love in return, the spell would be broken. If not, he would be doomed to remain a beast for all time. As the years passed, he fell into despair and lost all hope, for who could ever learn to love a beast?
Little town, it's a quiet village. Every day like the one before. Little town full of little people waking up to say
Bonjour!
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 There goes the baker with his tray, like always, the same old bread and rolls to sell. Every morning just the same, since the morning that we came to this poor provincial town.
Good morning, Belle!
Good morning, monsieur.
Where are you off to?
The bookshop. I just finished the most wonderful story about a beanstalk and an ogre and...
That's nice! Marie, the baguettes! Hurry up!
Look, there she goes, the girl is so peculiar. I wonder if she's feeling well.
With a dreamy, far-off look.
And her nose stuck in a book.
What a puzzle to the rest of us as well.
I said she's gorgeous, and I fell. Here in town there's only she who is beautiful as me. So I'm making plans to woo and marry Belle. No one's neck's as incredibly thick as Gaston.
His no one is burly and brawny.
As you see, I've got biceps to spare. No one hits like Gaston, matches wits like Gaston.
The odd collection of characters.
Master will be furious if he finds out what we're up to.
Well, we don't have to tell him, do we?
There is nothing to worry about.
No, nothing. Just our entire future.
Oh, pish posh. Be our guest for dinner.
We'll keep it simple.
What are you talking about? What's going on? Come on, Mom.
Come along, Chip, dear.
Oh dear.
No need to worry.
We'll keep it simple.
Hi.
Stop! Stop it, I say. Do you hear me? All of you. I said quiet! If we're going to do this, then let's do it.
But of course, we must make her feel welcome. Esteemed Mesdames et Messieurs, it is with deepest pride and greatest pleasure that we welcome you. And now, we invite you to relax, pull up a chair, as the dining room proudly presents your dinner.
Be our guest, put our service to the test. Tie your napkin round your neck, sherry, and we provide the rest. Soup du jour, hors d'oeuvres, why we only live to serve. Try the great stuff, it's delicious. Don't believe me, ask the dishes. They can sing, they can dance. After all, now this is France, and the dinner here is never second best. Shouting and a fine night, and we'll sing you off to sleep as you digest. Tonight you up your feet, but for now let's eat up. Be our guest, be our guest, be our guest. Please be our
never see me as anything but a monster.
Oh no.
I thought I told you never to come here!
I just wanted to find out what was
It's
underneath.
none of your business!
Please stop.
You shouldn't have come to the West Wing!
And you should learn to control your temper.
It's me!
Rising in the east, tale as old as time, song as old as rhyme. Building